This little instructional video is real simple, and it's designed to give you some sort of idea on how to use the Google calculator. Now this bad boy is what, anytime you type calculator into the search bar, this is what comes up. And in my experience, is one of the easiest and most reliable calculators, less confusing calculators there is. So let me show you how to do some of the calculations like you're going to do today. For example, if you're going to do the calculation that involves calculating how many hand grenades goes into the supervolcano, that calculation would look like this. 3.7, because that's the number on top, right? Divided by, now this was the number that had a very large negative exponent. So this would look like 1.3 and times 10 to the exponent. That's the exp right here, and it's going to look like an e. It's going to look real strange, and you'd expect to see like an x10. Maybe you're used to seeing it that way, but it's just an e. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit minus 15. Now what this says is 3.7 divided by 1.3 times 10 to the negative 15. That's what that is. So when you hit enter, you get your answer. And so what this is, this reads at 2.8 times 10 to the 15th power. So this is now a positive exponent. So, and there's that e again. That's calculator talk for times 10. So try not to get that confused. It should be easy. So that's pretty much it. Let me go through this again. If you were to take any number, in this case we'll do 3.7 because that's the Caldera in zettajoules, and divided by, let's say something that's a little closer to it. And we'll do, like, let's say 1.5, there it is, exponent negative 5, something that's a little bigger. And you, so now this would be saying that there's 246 thousands of whatever we're comparing that fit into a caldera eruption. So I hope that explains some things. The big part being that that exp key, that is equivalent to the scientific notation of times 10 to the whatever power. If it's going to be negative, you got to make sure you put the negative sign out in front. If it's positive, you just write the numbers in. Should be a piece of cake. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, you got this.